playing a game. The name will be linked in the comments down below. Well, as you can see in our quest, we need to get these all five lights, afternoon, whatever. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm a wizard, and I'm getting on the tablet. I need to talk. Anyway, there are three different characters. You can get a mage, a warrior, and a a archer or something. Well, at the moment, I'm on my last one, and there's these zombie kind of things that try to like end me. So yeah, this is my beautiful gun, and the newbie skin. But, yeah. I'm just gonna change this out to a night cannon because why not? Let's try it. Alright, my first one is a sniper. Yeah, I'm a pro grenade, so with that. It's like it's an auto rifle. It sucks everything in. Alright, we're going in with time now. Use my ability. Super ability. Yeah, let's go. Okay, for that. Oh my god, I need that. Snipe. Get a bow over here. Where's my gun? You know, I'm just going down. Objective complete. Yo, new objective. How many objectives do I have? We're following that arrow. White arrow at the top left. Oh, frick! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get it, bud. Here, come on here. These guys just stand there. Oh! My God! My hand hasn't fixed no chance. So I'm gonna run into that episode. Oh! C4! Oh my God, that's just nothing. 360 no scope, let's go. Goodbye. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention we have this big boy. It's like a giant buckle of stuff. I'll show you guys when the next time we play fire. I have to follow the white arrow at the top left corner. Right, that way it is. That's right. Light. We shall try a different character and see the difference. Also, I think Mage is the best. It's a wizard.